Good evening, everyone. I want you to imagine it's about 4:45 on a Friday afternoon. A little fella whose name I'm going to use because his parents gave me permission, Andres Martinez, pulls out of his driveway on his bicycle. He's 9 years old. He's going to ride down to his friend's house to go visit him. It's been a week of school. He's a good guy. He's a good student. He's a good child. And he's riding his bike down the road, and all of a sudden he's struck. That's right. He is struck by a red four-door pickup truck and killed. You see the child's bicycle, which was torn in half in the road. The red pickup truck then continued to flee eastbound on Hutchins Road. It is beyond comprehension that anyone could hit another person with their vehicle and not stop to render aid, to help, to report what happened. But that's even 1,000 times times worse when it's a child, a little 9-year-old boy. He was doing what little boys do after school. He was going to one of his friends to play, and now he's dead. And there's some deranged person that fled from this dying little boy who was thrown into the neighbor's yard. That person fled and is hiding like the coward he is. We need your help. We need to know who you may know that drives a red four-door pickup truck, Chevrolet, maybe raised up a little bit, with large tires. We're going to show you a brief video clip of the vehicle just before impact. We're also going to show you some still pictures. We want you to help us. It should go without saying that we'll pay a reward. You should report it because it's the right thing to do, but we're willing to pay $5,000 tonight. You don't have to get involved. Just tell us where the vehicle is and where the suspect is, or where the vehicle or the suspect is, and we'll take it from there. We need that person in jail, and we need them in jail not only sooner rather than later. We need that person in jail tonight, and you can make that happen. Crime Stoppers, 1-800-226-TIPS. You'll stay totally anonymous. You'll never have to testify in court. No one would know who you are, and you will help us solve this current mystery of who is horrible enough to run over little 9-year-old Andres Martinez in the road in front of his house. I would like to give you other details, but you know what I know. That's all of the information we have at this point in time. We'll release further information through our public information officer, and tonight our administrator, Carrie Horseman's on call. Good night.